This 2025 Alliance RV Benchmark 44 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV and features Sleeps 10, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.